The Karnataka government has announced relief for thousands of victims caught in the multi-crore IMA scam. With Ramzan just around the corner, Minister Krishna Byregowda has promised that depositors who lost their hard-earned money will see compensation soon. Let's dive into the details. Earlier today, February 24, 2025, a crucial meeting took place at Vikas Sauda. Minister Krishna Byregowda alongside Minister Zamir Ahmed, MLA Rizwan Arshad and the Chief Minister's Political Secretary Nasir Ahmed sat down with victims of the IMA scam. The focus? How to bring closure to a fraud that saw over 1 lakh depositors invest a staggering 3,213.58 crore rupees, hoping to double their money only to be left betrayed. The IMA scam rocked Karnataka when it unraveled years ago. Of the 69,069 depositors, many received dividends totaling rupees 1,400 crore before the scheme collapsed. Since then, the government has been working to make things right. So far, rupees 87.43 crore has been returned to 60,902 victims in phases, starting with rupees 19.12 crore in April 2022, followed by rupees 66.66 crore in November 2023, and smaller amounts in 2024. The government hasn't stopped at refunds. They have seized assets worth rupees 534 crore linked to IMA, including 10 properties, rupees 106.92 crore in movable assets and immovable assets valued at rupees 401.92 crore. Cash, bank accounts and investment certificates have been confiscated too. And now, following a court directive from Justice Nagaprasanna's bench, these assets will be auctioned off. The proceeds, they headed straight to the victims. Minister Krishna Byregowda assured those present that compensation will reflect the proportion of each victim's investment and it will reach them at least 10 days before Ramzan, a promise of relief just in time for the festival season. When the scam first broke, victims were asked to apply online for compensation. Active bank accounts tied to IMA transactions were key proof. For those with inactive accounts, deposit receipts or share certificates did the trick. The government cross-checked everything with IMA's records and Aadhaar data to ensure fairness. And in heartbreaking cases where depositors have passed away, their nominated beneficiaries will receive the funds. It's been a long road for the victims of IMA scam, but today's announcement signals hope. With assets ready to be auctioned and a clear timeline in place, the Karnataka government is determined to deliver justice. Stay tuned for more updates and keep watching Daily Salar Digital.